But anyway, moving on to the next one. Oh, and by the way, if we have any updates or what, we're definitely going to have him back if anything else develops. Moving on, there's been, I'm sure a lot of people have heard about this at this point, but there's been this trucker protest going on in Ottawa.
Freedom Convoy.
Freedom Convoy, that's right. Here in lovely Maple Syrup Land, place we call home, the home of Tim Hortons. Trucker Convoy, they're still in Ottawa, and they're they have their set of demands. They want the restrictions lifted, and there's been, I don't know if it's been back and forth, but Trudeau has doesn't sound too receptive to their communication.
Yeah, he's not listening at all.
Anyway, so now it looks like the thing's getting beefed up a little bit. We have this development in the Ottawa Citizen. Plans underway for farm tractor convoy from Alexandria to Ottawa. So you got the trucks, you got the truck convoy in Ottawa at Parliament. That's where the decisions get made for the country.
Right.
But you know what you're missing is you're missing some tractors, because tractors, they say, like farmers and tractors, that's work right there. That's feeding. That's a different symbol.
Slow.
Yeah, they go hand in hand.
That's a symbol, Will.
Yeah.
The tractor is food, cultivation.
They feed cities.
The farm is that the bump. That's the bumper sticker.
Yeah, farmers feed cities.
So it's like a perfect combination. You're right. It's going to be slow to get there and cold.
Yeah.
Although some of these tractors these days look pretty sweet. You know, you look at the cabin in there. It's probably maybe a decent climate on the inside. I don't know, but slow, yes. And so they're gonna and they're gonna come in, and they're big too. So I presume they can clog up the streets, which is part of the protest. Make it a little bit uncomfortable in around there.
It would be hard to get there because I haven't seen a tractor on like a highway.
They got to take the side roads. Well, if it's enough of them in the convoy,
right? I guess
you're behind them.
Yeah,
you have to find a way around. Or tractor convoy to Ottawa, originating in North Glengarry village of Alexandria, is being organized for Saturday, February 5th. I don't even know exactly where that is, Will. We're gonna need to bring up Google Maps. Farmer in the Green Valley area of south of Alexandria estimated that it's likely 100 tractors or more will participate. Just what they need in Ottawa right now. 100 more tractors. Wow. What else can we convoy at this point? You got the, well, definitely not Alexandria, Egypt. I don't know if it's Ontario. Okay. Maybe that's it right there. Yeah, that looks like it. Can we zoom out and just roughly place that in our mind somewhere? Oh,
but do it slowly.
It's in
Maybe
the
we
middle
can
of
get
nowhere, as far as I can tell. St. Lawrence River. Oh, okay. So not too far from Ottawa.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
They can do I think they can do the trip, Mo. I don't know. I'm heading kind of out that way. Not for a convoy. I got a hockey tournament, and I'm not going over there. And it's not me; it's the kids. But I don't know. Maybe I'm going to be behind some tractors. Maybe I need a little bit more time. No, I think it should be okay. But yes, it's really turning into something. This whole thing. What else? What other vehicles can we add here? You have the trucks, the big trucks. You have now the tractors. What are we missing here?
RVs.
RV convoy. Those are big.
Mm-hmm.
The van lifers join.
Van life convoy. Trudeau's gonna be feeling all this pressure in there. He's saying they got the van lifers too. I thought I had the van lifers.
The snowmobile crew shows up.
Some ATVs, motorcycles.
Oh yeah, they
loud.
don't
take up as much space, but yeah,
they're the loud ones.
Interesting. Anyway, what do they say? Go back up. Let's get a quote from some of these. Vaccinated or not vaccinated, we are all the same. We're all Canadians, and the segregation has got to stop. The division that you're seeing now, I hate that. People are divided. It's affecting my family now, and enough is enough. We've reached our limit, and we're going to be in a world of hurt If restrictions and mandates keep going, just look at the cost of groceries and gas. People will be hurting for years if this keeps going. So that's one of the farmers that's going to be jumping on the tractor and heading to Ottawa, I guess, on Saturday. Wow, that's soon.
Yeah.
All right, let's head into some Twitter news here.